Advanced cold process soap making. Is it the course for you? Well, this course is ideal if you already have a little bit of general knowledge about cold process soap making. Maybe you've already taken our cold process course, or if you already have a good working knowledge of cold process soap making. It's going to take you on to that next level. We're going to show you new methods of making the soap, but we're also going to be showing you a whole variety of designs and styling to really give impact and visual appeal to your product. You don't have to settle for a boring beige bar. You can produce something that's still really natural but beautiful too. You're going to learn how to confidently start producing design-led styles that have visual appeal and impact to your soaps. Some of these are a little bit more intricate and ideal when you're doing smaller scale, but some of these designs are also ideal even if you start doing quite large scale production. It's these styles and designs that really give you that market edge and help your soaps stand out from the crowd. If you're ready to take your soaps to that next level, read on through the information, click the button, and I really look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye for now.